Well, it's day 2 at Daytona Beach for the 2020 Daytona Beach Freeride. It's actually day 1 of the Freeride. Yesterday was a bonus day. So had really good surf yesterday, had 3 to 4 footers, occasional 5 to 6 footer. Real clean surf, nice sets. It was just really a beautiful day. It was warm, it was sunny, it wasn't windy. Today is, again, in the mid-70s, which is great. Some of the best weather we've had. Unfortunately, we have some pretty high winds. So it's really making it a washboard out there in the water. So I'm kind of chilling. I'm getting ready to put on my wetsuit and go out and ride. I rode a good solid tank of fuel through my ski yesterday. Had a couple minor things I had to address, which isn't surprising on a freshly built ski. Real happy with the WDK NV hull. It's a ton lighter than my SXR was. It's much more nimble. It's much more playful. I'm probably going to try a scoop grate on it to see if I can get it to hook up a little differently, and we'll see whether I like that for surf or not. But other than that, the ski's running great. I'm real happy with it. Even though I had to do some work on it in the parking lot to have it ready to ride yesterday, but that's all right. Sometimes that happens. Over the bars?
Yeah.
Oh, I missed it. That's too bad.
You guys heading out there today?
Yeah, I'll be out in a little bit. I was hoping the wind was going to die down, but I don't think it's gonna.
I was like, we were down here yesterday with the ride. It was perfect. But that's like.
This is gonna be rough riding.
Aggressive.
It's aggressive. I like that. There's a few brave souls out there. Ah, my feet are about to get wet. There's Os the boss, your performance specialist.
Spark plugs in tow.
Spark plugs in tow. cows eating chips. Look at the mess you're making over here. Are they gonna start pooping on us too?
I hope
Wow. Did you see that, man? That blast there, yeah.
I might have gotten that on video. We'll see. I'm gonna watch him for a couple minutes.
There's some massive waves. Yeah, if you just want to, like, I just want to go out there and just see it.
you know.
What?
Nobody's flipping.
No, I mean, A, you have no time to set up, and B, you have no time to offer.
Where'd he go? Lost him.
What?
Oh, there he is. I was too worried about not getting my tennis shoes wet because they're the only shoes I have to wear this weekend.
You should have your flops on, right?
Because they're in the house.
Waffle on.
They're in the Blue Waffle House.
The owner's name for the house is Dolphin House, but I think it's basically the waffle.
Spelled blue waffle, but pronounced awful.
Blue waffle. The blue waffle.
The Blue Waffle.
I like that. The blue waffle.
Nice. I'll have to get a video picture of it. Say, talk about the Blue Waffle in it.
The blue waffle. That is
Pretty funny.
You guys see that?
What's that?
Stab into the ground? No.
Oh, I missed it.
Did a backflip and came down directly into the sand.
Did he stick it like a lawn dart?
Yeah, it's stuck there.
Yeah, it's awesome. That hurts. Better somebody else does that than me. I didn't see it.
I didn't see it. There's X2 out there. I think that's what that thing is.
That? Yeah, that looks like an old X2. The X2 clan showing up.
I would want to try to give those another run. I mean, I had one way back when I first started, and I hated it.
An X2 with a 750 or an 800 motor in it would be phenomenal. But
I just had a problem getting back on it.
I never did a run to run those.
Oh, yeah, Mom's so salty about that. Nice big flip way out. Yeah, I mean, you can't see him anymore. Oh, yeah, that's him. Yeah. They're good lines. They will be hurt. Gomez isn't out there. I mean, it's not, you know.
Like sloppy for him.
Washing machine out there today.
I remember I rode it that when I was down here last year. I think it was in February. I rode it in Jacksonville. Dude, it was like, I mean, what I kind of like about it is like when they show up to ride, they show up, they fucking ride. They'll like everybody will get there, throw their shit in, they ride one tank of fuel, come back, take a 5-minute break, gas up their speed, go back, ride a second tank, and then they're done. So like in 2 hours, you know, you're unpacked, packed, and done, you know.
Right.
And it's just nice, you know. We rode one day like this, dude, and I was fucking sick.
Get it now. Like fucking all over the place.
A bunch of people just went out.
plenty of area down there though